Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. How are you? I hope all of you are fine and doing well. I'm your teacher Muhammad, and today we are going to learn about the food vocabulary. If you have any comment, query or suggestion related to my content and my niche, you can freely tell me in the comment box below. So kids, let's start our today's video. Food vocabulary. Our today's topic is food vocabulary. Guess what is this? Yes, this is a cake. Repeat after me. Cake. What is this? This is bread. Yes, this is bread. Rice. Repeat after me. Rice. What is this? This is sausage. Very good. Sausage. What is this? This is pizza. Repeat after me. Pizza. Noodles. Noodles. Very good. Now what is this? This is ice cream. Ice cream. This is fried egg. Very good. Fried egg. It is doughnut. Doughnut. What is this? Popcorn. Popcorn. What is this? This is chocolate. Yes, chocolate. Very good. This is chicken. Repeat after me. Chicken. This is cheese. What is this? This is cheese. Our next food item is soda. This is soda. This was the end of this lecture. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.